At the University of Bristol, our electron beam systems can produce high-resolution images, find crystal orientations and structures, and even determine the chemical compositions of samples. Our numerous instruments support most materials analysis requirements. We perform scanning and transmission electron microscopy, electron-induced X-ray microanalysis for elemental determinations, and even cryomicroscopy for tissue samples. Electron microscopes offer the most versatile analytical options. You can find so much information out from using just one machine in one session. We produce reports of our findings for our clients and give advice on the most efficient and cost-effective way to move a project forward. In some cases, this may include further analysis by one or more complementary techniques to get a better handle on the particular problem. We have over a dozen electron microbeam systems at Bristol, offering a full range of options such as focused ion beam, cathodoluminescence, electron backscatter diffraction, very high resolution imaging with transmission electron microscopes, and analysis of very low concentrations of elements with state-of-the-art electron microprobe. Access to such a large number of instruments means we can offer a fast turnaround for our industrial clients. Long-term relationships with diverse clients means we work on a wide range of different samples from advanced composites to the nanostructures on the surfaces of materials. We've analysed the composition of minerals with almost every element of the periodic table. We can investigate grain boundaries in complex polycrystalline materials, and even image and analyse biological tissues, DNA, pharmaceutical liquids, gels, or proteins. Our samples include pigments of ancient Roman glass, tooth enamel in studies of dental caries, and metals from turbines and nuclear power stations.
The University of Bristol provides a kind of sophisticated method of analysis that can be quite crucial when it comes to authenticating a very valuable painting, for instance, that may be worth millions of pounds and where there's doubt cast on its authenticity. Absolutely, I would recommend them. It's a personal service. It's not just using the machinery, but also having the expertise behind it.
The Faculty of Science departments are well connected, so the lab managers can work as a team to match our diverse suite of equipment to your bespoke requirements. We're always keen to work with new customers and new challenges, be they small or large. So please do get in touch and let's discuss how we can help your business or institution.